Hi guys, today it's another lesson with Learn with Shiko Farm. I hope tunaendelea poa. And disclaimer, I'm not a vet. I'm not a house designer. I'm not in any professional level involved. I'm just a farmer with little experience that I wanna share with you. So welcome to Learn with me. And your comment, you can comment, we can learn from you as well. It's an open forum. So today I want to share one or two things. Kwa kuku tunasemanga they are prone to diseases, but we can somehow reduce chances of our chickens getting sick. How do I do that? 1, ensure that your chickens are in clean environment. So in our cages niliwaonyesha ziko na place ya kuchukua droppings, and that we do once in a week. Lazima tufagia once in a week. Like, I'll show you how we do it. I'll do a video of us cleaning. But that one thing, we clean so that kwa manure kuna kuanga na ammonia. Hiyo ammonia kuku ziki inhale zinapatanga sana unazipata zinavimba kwa macho juu ya kuchomwa na hiyo ammonia. So I know everyone knows ammonia. Na hiyo ammonia, hiyo gas huchoma. Like hata kuna time ukidigin kwa manure unaweza pata hiyo gas inakuchoma pia wewe. So the same happens to chicken. Na zikichomwa macho, what happens, zina develop hiyo coyza. Unapata chicken imefura kijicho kimoja, then ukifinya inatoka stuff ya white, some white stuffs. So to reduce hizo cases za coyza, tuna ensure we clean once per week. Na coyza, okay, as nilisema before, when I had a depleter cage, that was major disease here. I used to experience that a lot, which I don't anymore. As you can see, our chicken are healthy babies, healthy. But now ni kazi. You have to kujituma. As we say, unajituma. Second, have an isolation room. Ukiona kuku ina behave huielewi, like unapata iko na a problem that you don't understand and you want to observe it. What we do, we have an isolation room, and we have a victim. But saizi anakaa poa, ako isolated. Reason being, alikuwa na lala na hamki, and ukiona sign kama hiyo hujui ni nini mbaya, you want to isolate it ndio uone kama kuna hiyo behavior itaendelea, na si kulala kwa kawaida. There's a way that they lala, and you see hiyo kuku haiko sawa. Second, biosecurity. This karai over here, this is where we step in before entering in our coop. Why do we do that? As you can see hapa, kuna soda. We have mixed it with, let me show you what I use. and it's not an ad, but noro mkisikia tunaweza do hii kitu. Haya, this is what I use as a disinfectant. So nachanganya hii na maji, alafu naeka kwa soda. Ndio ukikanyanga any germs that unaweza kumebeba from outside inakuwa disinfected, like huwezi pass. Haya, tukuje kwa drinkers. Ensure your drinkers are clean. We normally clean our drinkers every morning. Ndio tukipe maji, the drinkers are already clean. Na alafu the maji yenye unaziekea, it should be clean. They should take clean water. Birds zinapenda usafi sana sana sana, especially Kienyeji chicken. They love clean water. Feeds, they should be clean. Trunks are always clean. In case kuna maybe manyo imeanguka, of which it's rare, tunazitoa, then tunaensure tumeweka clean feed and clean water. Another preventive measure is ensure the company that you are buying your feeds from, it's a reputable company. It's a reputable one. Ndio usipate maugonjwa. Like sometimes unapatanga kuku ina behave, okay, maybe ume change from one company to another, unapata kuku ina behave in a way that maybe imeanza ku lose weight okay, unaona tu, you can tell a healthy chicken and an unhealthy one. There is a very big difference. So ukiona kuku zako zimeanza ku behave weird after introducing new feeds, please visit a vet. Sana unapatanga bibi ukiona, me I'm not prescribing anything by the way, I'm just showing. Haya, kuna time sitaki kutaja the company, I was using their feeds. Hata ni juzi tu, I was using their layers, and unapata kuku zimeanza ku lose weight, haziko healthy. So there is something we call detoxifying. Venye tu kuna detoxifying ya watu, kuna detoxifying ya kuku, ndio zitoe hizo mauchafu. Like nika hiyo kuku, nika kidney za kuku zina try to clean something and liver, and they are not, yani kuna something, kuna zinaitangwa aflatoxins kwa feeds. So mara mob unapatanga unapewa hii dawa inaitwa hepachurin, lakini peleka kuku ifanywe postmortem ndio ujue kama don't administer something that you're not sure of, ndio ujue kama it's the appropriate dawa, ndio ina clear. Actually it works very fast, that one I can attest, and it's nice one. Alafu ukiintroduce feeds zako, maybe umenunua another from okay, you are changing from one company to another, or maybe you are changing from maybe growers to layers. Don't do it overnight, please don't do it overnight. You know why? How will I explain it? What happens ni kama umepea hiyo kuku stress, and if it was layers and you introduce another feeds, despite that maybe it's a good company or anything, but uzipe abrupt, kuna hiyo change utapata, cause utakume cause stress kwa hiyo kuku. So what we do, kama una change from growers to layers, unachanganya for 3 days, then you start the new feed. Kama ni from one company to another, you buy the company that you want, you subdivide, then you mix, unape gradually, una introduce pole, because you can introduce abrupt, lazima utaona change, na si change mzuri, because you have stressed the chicken already. Another thing is always vaccinate your chicks. We start our vaccination at 7 days. That's when we give our first Gumboro. Then after another 7 days we give Newcastle. After another 7 days we repeat Gumboro. After another 7 days we give another Newcastle. Then we inject Newcastle. Not Newcastle. Fowlpox, typhoid. We inject them. Inject yangwa for wings na kwa thigh. There are 2 injections. Our birds we normally inject them at 10 weeks. That's when we give the Fowlpox. And Fowlpox, hey, Fowlpox it's a very bad disease. It can take away all your flock. Not only Fowlpox, at Newcastle and Gumboro, they are dangerous diseases which you can prevent. If you prevention is better than cure. You can prevent. It's only actually maybe if you have 100 doses, those are 100 birds. We only give. It costs 250. Imagine 250 comparing to losing your whole flock of 100 birds. Surely 250 bob. See, we can do this. Yeah, we can prevent it, by the way. We can prevent Newcastle, we can prevent Gumboro, we can prevent Fowlpox. We can leave diseases free. We can prevent coccidiosis. We can do it by keeping your birds clean environment. We can do this. And at the productivity of the birds, you can tell it will be high. Me, the only thing I don't do is debeaking. I don't debeak my birds. But I'm not saying if you believe in debeaking, don't debeak. No, I'm not. Do what you feel it's good for you. But to me, I take debeaking as causing stress to my birds. And you know, when you debeak, when they actually mature and they are laying, trust you me, they will drop. So to me, what I believe in, it's giving enough quality feeds, because quality feeds, they have enough calcium and DCP. If they are enough in the feeds, you can't experience your birds eating their eggs. You can't. So what I advise, give quality feeds for quality birds. And then sijui whether you guys know, there's something we call postmortem for birds. Please, ukipata birds zako zinakufa na hujui reason, usianza kununua sijui what ati ndio you try being that vet. Don't. Actually, it's not expensive. I think it's around 200 bob. And it's good ndio ujue kama the other frogs they are infected. If it's a virus, the vet will advise appropriately. So unaona ama you ignore ati juu bird imekufa. They don't just die. There must be a reason. Ukiona birds zako ziko affected, maybe uone 1 or 2 zimeanza kukufa, kindly zipeleke postmortem. Ziangaliwe. Ndio at least ujue kama ni kitu inaenea kwa flock, usi lose flock yote. Kama ni kitu inaenea, you can reduce the risk and prevent dying. But penye mimi naweza insist, vaccinate your birds. Vaccine 2, Newcastle 2, Gumboro 2, Fowlpox. We are done. Please. Na hutaipata hata kukikuwa na outbreak ya Newcastle, kukikuwa na outbreak ya Gumboro. I don't know, I think Newcastle it's kihuruto in our French tunaita kihuruto. So usiache birds zako zikufe. Yeah. I think we can wrap at these particular points. Say hi to my Ken bro. Bo. Sijui next. Okay, those are biosecurity measures. Next sijui tutaongelelea nini, but you can comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel. It's our channel, farmers. Let's do this. And you can suggest what you would love me to talk about in our next video. Yeah, let me give you a taste of our chips. You can see that, so pretty. Ciao ciao.